Well, happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. Today on the channel, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 trends that if you were only going to update your wardrobe with 5 things this season, this would be my recommendation for you. And so I would start with number 1, a pair of new jeans. And I would either get a cropped pair or a straight leg pair. This will help you look on trend. It will make you look like you know what you're doing for fashion. And it really, I just think a new pair of jeans is just kind of one of those things that, you know, we wear all the time. And as jean trends come and go, I think this season, a cropped pair or a straight leg is just the right way to go. Now, I am showing you a picture of me here in a pair of cropped jeans, and I'm absolutely loving them. And also, I think I've got a pair up here of my straight leg jeans that I purchased. I got those straight leg jeans at an ultimate bargain, like $16 at a store around here called Hamricks. I don't know if you guys have that store, but I love myself some wow pieces. You know that. Like, I love me some wow pieces. And have I spent more on jeans? Sure. But when you find a pair that really work and really fit well, these are Gloria Vanderbilt. I think they're out of, like, they're not in, I can't find them on their website. The brand, well, it's Gloria Vanderbilt, but the style is called Sadie. They're called Sadie. And I looked online and finally just went back to the store and I got another pair of the dark blue and I got a pair of black. And so if you can't find these, which you probably can't, but look for a straight leg pair or a cropped jeans. Those cropped are INC, and I got those at Macy's very recently. All right, number 2, I would look for a patterned pant. Patterned pants are all the rage, and if you gain weight in your hips, be careful with the pattern pant. You would want a top that's a little bit longer than the fullest part of your body. I would say a pattern pant that maybe is in a darker shade. You can see I've got the orange ones on here. They're not darker, and then I also got a new pair this season that are just an animal print, and so they're a little darker. They are CK Bradley, I believe the brand is, of the animal print that I got. Those orange pattern pants are from Anthropologie, in case you are looking for those. If you don't like a pattern pant, then I would go for a pop color solid. It is going to up level your wardrobe. You can wear it with a solid color blazer if you have one. You can wear it with a t-shirt, a graphic tee, but I think going in that direction, maybe the pink or the greens that are trending so much this season, if you're warm, maybe the orange or green, but I would go with a pattern pant as my number 2 pick. Number 3, a blazer. Gotta have a blazer this season. And I would get one that fits. I think I would take out the shoulder pads if you've got, unless you have narrow shoulders, keep the shoulder pads in if they come with it. And just because that'll balance your figure. But a blazer, whether it's in a pop color or a neutral, I will tell you that if you want the blazer to last and look on trend for a while, then choose a neutral, an off-white, a white, a black, a brown, a gray, depending on your color code. And so if you haven't taken the color code test yet, make sure you do that. stylebycolor.com. There's a free color quiz over there. Make sure that you do that. All right, number 4. My number 4 pick for this season is a silk blouse. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with dress pants. You can wear it with a skirt. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. I love to take a dressier piece and wear it with a more casual piece. I think it's a really great way to style your look. And if you did not watch my video from last week, March 25th, it was on Lily silk blouses. I showed you a couple of those, so you might want to take a look at that. And then my number 5 pick for this spring season, if I were only going to pick 5 things, it would be something with lace detail. And the blouse that I'm showing here in this photo, I got on Amazon for about $10. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. Sometimes you can find these deals. You might be able to find lace in a thrift store. You may be able to find a lace piece in your favorite boutique, because all of these trends are showing up in local department stores and our local boutiques. And I love just helping out our local boutiques and making sure that we are supporting local business. And so whether you get lace detail on a top, on a blazer, on a pair of pants, on a dress, that would be my number 5 pick for this season. Well, welcome to April. Can you believe we're here? Well, we really are. And so I hope you are having a magnificent spring season, and I can't wait. What did you pick? If you had 5 picks, maybe you could just tell me in the comments your favorite, or tell me what your 5 picks are based on the trends that I've shared over the last probably last month or so on this channel. And until next week, I will see you then. Bye-bye.